to Talk of the Town. I'm Betsy McDaniel in for Robin Zimmerman today. Joining me is our friend Josh Lieberman. He is, of course, with Restore Wellness, and it is Wellness Month, which I just found out before we started filming because you told me about it.
Yeah, so Restore, it's hosting or celebrating National Wellness Month. They started to do this a few years ago, and really the whole concept is really just trying to make everybody aware of alternative health measures or even just the ordinary health measures, but kind of taking time for yourself this month to kind of make sure that wellness is a priority.
Well, and maybe if we take time for ourselves this month, we can make it a habit and just make it every month that we're trying to be well.
Right.
Right?
So that's the whole goal of Restore. It's proactive wellness. It's trying to teach everybody that there's tools that they can utilize, and there's education out there that you can use and learn from us to be able to help yourself feel better, do more, do everything you love to do without that hesitation or limitation that you wake up with.
Yeah. And you, of course, have locations both on Hilton Head and in Bluffton, but talk to us a little bit about Restore and specifically what it is that you do, because you have so many things that you offer.
So Restore is a health and wellness center,
Yes.
right? But it's different than a spa setting. It's different than your doctor's office. It's guided. You know, we have 12 plus different services or modalities and treatments, and we're growing. But the whole idea is that come on in, let's learn about you, let's learn about your history, let's learn about some of the goals you have, and we're going to build you a plan that makes sense. Time, budget, just the idea of starting your wellness journey. Some people are already starting it, and some people don't even know where to begin, and we can take anybody in between.
And talk to us about some of the things that people come to you saying, I have this, or I want to lose weight, or I have this kind of pain, or I have, I feel like I'm chronically dehydrated. What do people come to you saying? Yeah. And then what are the solutions that you have to offer?
A great question. So a big one is fatigue. It's just your general, not necessarily muscle fatigue, not necessarily I'm just super exhausted and tired. I just have fatigue. I need some energy. So energy is a really big one. We do things like cryotherapy to help boost your energy. We'll do things like red light therapy that's working at a cellular level, which is teaching your body how to create energy, which is really cool. I'm not just giving it to you. Actually helping you create it, which I think is a lot. It's really cool. IV hydration, the different micronutrients that we can add to help balance a diet, which ultimately might increase energy levels, could even help you lose weight, could even help you manage your stress, other things that people come in here for. Pain management might be a big one too.
Yes. Whether
it's arthritic, whether it's post-surgery, whether it's just I'm active and I'm sore, right? I need some help to get back to what I was doing.
Well, and particularly in this area, you've got people that obviously play a lot of tennis, a lot of golf, a lot of pickleball, but you also have an aging population.
Yes.
So how do you keep them on track so they can keep doing those things longer?
As long as we are proactive with our wellness, right, you'll be surprised with how much more you think you can do or how much more you can do. So anti-aging, that's a big subject at Restore, right? Course, yeah. A lot of the recovery services can definitely be geared towards anti-aging. If we manage inflammation, we can help to really boost the body and give it what it needs or protect it from what it's dealing with.
Yeah.
Right?
And you mentioned this a little bit when we first started talking, and that is, what is the process when you first come in? Because I know you go through a huge questionnaire so that you're really making it tailored to that person. So what is that? I walk in the door, what's my first interaction with you or someone at Restore?
Your first interaction is, why are you here, right? Welcome in. Let's get to know you. Let's understand what brought you through this door. Let's do that initial consultation moment, right? But then I want to introduce you to my medical staff. We have nurse practitioners in-house. They're going to be able to work with you to be able to develop, like I said, that care plan, the wellness goals. You're going to work with a medical professional to help you through and guide you through what would be most important. Okay. And then they're going to hand you off to one of our specialists, whether it's a front desk team member, whether it's the general manager, whether it's your skin health professional, whether it's our other registered nurse to help you provide the medical services that we offer.
Interesting. And so, what are your hours? So, and when can somebody see you?
Sure. So we like to be as flexible as possible because we know that everyone's busy.
Yes.
So we're open 7 days a week. Okay. Both of our locations, Monday through Sunday, come on in. 9 to 6, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 10 to 7, Tuesday, Thursday. 9 to 5 over the weekends. Really great availability.
So really there's no excuse to not get well, is what you're telling me.
I'm trying to say that.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Josh, for being here. And it's Wellness Month, so go see him.
Thanks, guys.